Make a great choice today with the 2025 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.
For car buying you can trust,
Easler makes it easy.